If your Wells Fargo debit card is lost, stolen, or damaged, the first crucial step is to report it immediately. This activates fraud protection and prevents unauthorized use. The quickest way is through the Wells Fargo mobile app. Use the Report Lost Stolen feature to instantly lock your card and begin the replacement process. This is the recommended method as of November 2025, with Wells Fargo reporting a 40% increase in app-based reports since 2023. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account and navigate to the Card Services section to report the issue. Call Wells Fargo's customer service line at 1-800-869-3557. Be prepared to provide your account details and specifics about the incident. After reporting, Wells Fargo will verify your information and initiate the process of ordering a replacement card. For theft, it's also advisable to file a police report. Once you've reported your lost, stolen, or damaged debit card, you can order a replacement. Wells Fargo does not charge a fee for replacing lost or stolen cards. A small fee, typically $5 to $10, might apply for damaged cards depending on your account type. When ordering, you may have options for delivery. Standard mail delivers to your address on file within 7 to 10 business days, though delays can occur during peak periods like holidays. In some cases, you may be able to pick up your replacement card at a local Wells Fargo branch. While waiting for your replacement card, consider these options. Check if a virtual card is available through the Wells Fargo app for immediate online purchases. You can still access your funds via checks, online transfers, or any other accounts linked to your Wells Fargo account. All Wells Fargo debit card replacements include Visa's zero liability protection, meaning you won't be held responsible for unauthorized transactions. Contactless payments are standard. Wells Fargo is also piloting biometric authentication for card activations. By 2030, Wells Fargo aims for 100% recyclable debit cards.